What you are looking at is the ROG 20th Edition Special Build. Everything about this is uniquely designed to show off what ROG is capable of. If you zoom into just the motherboard, you will notice your eyes lay upon two 6.67-inch displays covering a massive plate that cools down a massive part of the motherboard. This is sold together with the water cooler. Yes, you buy the motherboard and the water cooler together. A little birdie told me that only 2,026 of them are in production. That means there's only 2,026 of these being sold. So if you want to get your hands on one of them, I'd do it rather sooner than later. Zooming into the special edition, again for the 20th anniversary of ROG, is the ROG 5090 Astral. There's 4 fans, there's a screen that goes edge to edge, there's a little glass panel on top of it to let you see inside, and gold accents as with everything for the 20th anniversary design language. It's in the smallest of details that you recognize that this is not going to be cheap by any way, shape or form. But I don't think it's about being cheap. I think it's about showing off. Am I right? Powering this bad boy is a 3,000 watt Thor Titanium 320th Edition power supply. You'll need it because this is a beefy boy. As always, these will ship with any AMD CPU your heart desires. All of this is built on the chassis of the GR20, and I must say it's complementing all of the aspects of this build. I am a little bit uncertain about dust, but I think you'll just have to clean it more often than you'd like to. I mean, such a terrible time looking at all of the details. Oh, sure. Who would ever be able to bear that? Look at this. It's like hydraulics. That's so cool. And a little seatbelt looking thing. The motherboard is the ROG Crosshair X870E Edition 20. It's rocking ROG Arcana DDR5 RGB 6000, 48 gigabytes of RAM. That is 2 24GB sticks of RAM inside of here. They even stacked an Xperia Pro G2 SSD in it just because they could. Honest opinion, the 20th anniversary of ROG has been one of the best experiences I've had with design language in tech. Everything feels exciting. Nothing feels like, oh, it's just another marketing scam or what. This has genuinely impressed me. I'm rating it a 9.2 out of 10 experience. This was Stefan from Tech covering Computex 2026. Everything that's new, everything that's cool. Check out the other videos. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.